Best renter-friendly smart home devices under $100. Best renter-friendly smart home devices under $100 if you're renting your home. You might think that setting up a smart home is off the table. After all, most landlords aren't thrilled about you drilling holes or making permanent changes to their property. But here's the good news. You can absolutely build a smart home setup without installing anything permanently. And you can do it without breaking the bank. In this guide, we're going to walk through some of the best renter-friendly smart devices that cost less than $100. These are gadgets that require zero installation, zero landlord approval drama, and they'll make your rental feel like a true smart home. The foundation of any smart home for renters starts with a smart speaker. This is really the control hub that ties everything together. You've got options like the Amazon Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini, both of which typically fall well under $100. These little speakers let you control other smart devices with your voice. Check the weather, play music, and set reminders. The beauty of a smart speaker is that it literally just plugs into an outlet. There's nothing to install, nothing to mount permanently. And when you move out, you just unplug it and take it with you. For renters, this is the perfect starting point because it opens the door to controlling everything else wirelessly. Once you've got a smart speaker, smart bulbs are the next logical step. Smart LED bulbs like those from major manufacturers screw directly into your existing light fixtures without any wiring or installation needed. You just twist out your old bulb and twist in the new one. These bulbs connect to your smart speaker via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which means you can control your lighting from your phone or with voice commands. You can dim the lights, change colors if you go with color-changing bulbs, or set up schedules so your lights turn on automatically when you get home. For renters, smart bulbs are absolutely perfect because they're completely non-permanent and incredibly easy to swap back out when you leave. Smart plugs are another game changer for renters, and they're ridiculously affordable. A smart plug is basically a device that you plug into an outlet, and then you plug another device into the smart plug. This lets you control any electrical device wirelessly, even if that device isn't actually smart. You could plug in a lamp, a fan, a coffee maker, or a space heater, and suddenly you can turn it on and off from your phone or with voice commands. Some smart plugs even let you monitor how much electricity each device is using, which is helpful if you're trying to keep an eye on your energy bills. These typically cost between $15 and $30, so you can grab several of them and cover multiple rooms in your apartment. Smart thermostats might seem like they require installation, and some of them do, but there are actually some brilliant no-installation smart home options in this category. There are portable smart AC controllers and heater controllers that don't require any wiring or permanent changes. You just place them near your existing thermostat or air conditioning unit, and they control the temperature through wireless signals. Some people also use smart plugs with their space heaters or window air conditioning units as a workaround. If your rental has a thermostat that's already connected to your heating and cooling system, check if it's a smart thermostat that you can simply reprogram without making any physical changes. Either way, temperature control is something you can tackle without landlord permission. Door locks and security devices are important for renters, and thankfully there are options that don't require replacing your existing lock. Smart door locks that mount on the inside of your door are available. Or you can use smart video doorbells that simply replace your existing doorbell button without any complex wiring. These devices let you see who's at your door from your phone, talk to visitors remotely, and some even record video when motion is detected. This is great for package delivery. and it adds a layer of security without making any permanent changes to your rental. You can find solid options in this category for under $100. Smart home security cameras are another category worth exploring. There are small, portable security cameras that you can place on shelves, desks, or mount on walls with adhesive strips instead of screws. These cameras can record video, send alerts to your phone when motion is detected, and many of them have night vision capabilities. Some cameras work with your smart speaker so you can view the footage on a display screen or your phone. Since these don't require any installation beyond plugging them in and positioning them, they're perfect for renters who want to add an extra layer of home security without landlord concerns. Smart home hubs and automation devices are worth considering as you expand your setup. A smart home hub is basically a central control point that lets all your different devices talk to each other more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more budget smart home tips, product picks, and setup guides every week.